Alright, so got the table all drilled out, and I put the threaded inserts in place also and knocked those in with a ball peen hammer. So let's mount it up. So here we go. All right, now that looks good. So the ideal is whenever I need to, I just take one side of the screws off, take the other one off, push it forward, then put my fence on whenever I need to. But for now, I could just use this for, you know, whatever. If I want to drill some holes this way, I can just set the board here and clamp it down, and that'll be it. But if I don't need it, then I can just peel this right off, store it away. I have plenty of garage space. The space is limited, so you know, that's perfect right there, taking that off. So that's nice. I like that. That looks good. If y'all would please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Don't forget, give a thumbs up. Later.